Looking to create fun and engaging quiz games like this one? Quiz game videos are one of the top channel ideas for those who want to make a faceless YouTube channel, but creating quiz videos can be time-consuming and require editing skills. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick and easy way of creating these kinds of quiz game videos using Canva. Whether for learning or fun, Canva has you covered. Hello friends, welcome to Tech2 AI. So first of all, we need content for our quiz game. Our content here is the questions and their answers. For that, we first need to decide on a topic. We can choose one topic or go with mixed Q&As. For now, I will choose scientific inventions. So let's go to ChatGPT and create our desired content. I will write a prompt. Create a quiz game about inventions. 10 questions with 4 suggestions. Arrange all of them in a table and put the answer in the last column. Now ChatGPT has made 10 questions in table form, exactly the way we asked. Now let's log into Canva, choose Video 1080p. Now select Designs and type Quiz. You will see so many pre-designed templates here. Choose one that suits your quiz topic. I'll choose this one for now. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can create your own template by using free elements and adding animations. For now, I'm going to go with this template. I will replace some elements as per my topic. If you want me to create a detailed video on creating a quiz template from scratch, then please let me know in the comments. Okay, so first go to ChatGPT and copy the first question. Now select this question area by clicking on it and replace the question with our copied one. Now copy option A, click on option A here and replace it with the copied option. Do the same for all 4 options. Now click on this plus sign and add a new page. Copy the question from here and paste it on the new page. This is only to copy the style and font of the text. You can select the font directly too. Type correct answer. Write the correct answer here. Select the square shape and set it in the background of the text. It's looking dull. I want to add a bright color here so it looks good. I'll add this correct sign animation here. Increase the length of the clip to about 8 to 10 seconds. For the answer clip, about 3 to 5 seconds. Now our first page is ready. Now go to Apps. Type Bulk. You will see the bulk creation option here. Click on it. Click on Enter Data manually. Scroll down and click on Clear Table. Now go to ChatGPT and copy everything in the table. Paste it here. Click on Done. Now right-click on the question part. Click on Connect Data. Select Question. Now right-click on the first suggestion. Click on Connect Data. Select Option A. Right-click on the second suggestion. Click on Connect Data. Select Option B. Right-click on the third suggestion. Click on Connect Data. Select Option C. Right-click on the fourth suggestion. Click on Connect Data. Select Option D. Now go to the next page, which is our correct answer page. Right-click on the answer, Connect Data, and select the last one, which is Answer. On the left side here, click on Continue. Here, Select All must be checked. Click on Generate 10 designs. Now all the questions are automatically created in the same format. Recheck and see if any adjustments are needed. Now export the video into MP4 format. Open this video in your favorite editor if you want to do more editing, like adding music, etc. You saw the final results at the beginning of the video. So have you seen how easy it is to create quiz games? It took only about 10 minutes for the full process. Hope this video helped you. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.